Chapter 9 we are going to deal with algebraic expressions and identities. For that we need to know some terms. First is a monomial, second is binomial, then we have a trinomial. Now, what is the meaning of monomial, binomial and trinomial? A monomial means a single term. So, if we have a term like this 2x, it is one term, there is no plus or minus in between. A binomial means it has two different terms. So, let us say 2x plus 3y, this is one term and this is two terms. So, monomial means one term, binomial means two terms, and trinomial means there will be three different terms, that means 2x plus 2x square plus 2x cube. Now, these are all three different terms. So, trinomial indicate that there are three terms and the three terms should be different. The different terms are called unlike terms. So, we should know what are like terms and what are unlike terms. Like terms means the variables will be same. For example, 2x and 3x are like terms because the variable here is x and the variable here is also x. So, both are x. So, we can add like terms, 2x and 3x we get 5x. We can also subtract like terms. So, like terms can be added or subtracted. But if you look at 2x and 2x square, here we find that the variable is x, here we find the variable is x square. So, such type of numbers are called unlike terms. So, here the value could be same or here the value could be different, that does not matter, but what matters is the variable part. So, these are unlike terms, they cannot be added or subtracted. The number along with these variables are known as the coefficients. So, we can say coefficient of x here is 2, coefficient of x here is 3, coefficient of x here is 5, coefficient of x cube is 2, coefficient of y is 3 and so on and so forth. So, we need to find coefficient, then we can easily find out the coefficients if the terms are given. For example, if we are given 2x plus 3x square y minus 2y and we are to identify the terms and the coefficients, the term here is x. So, this is the term x and the coefficient of x will be 2. In the second case, the term is x square y, but the coefficient is 3. In this case, the coefficient is y and the term is y and the coefficient is minus 2. The sign is also written here, we cannot neglect the sign. So, in two cases we are having positive coefficients and in one case we are having a negative coefficient. So, we have x, x square y and y as the terms and the coefficients as 2, 3 and minus 2. So, we can identify the terms and coefficients easily. So, if we are given like terms, so 2x plus 3x plus 5x, then we can add them, we will get 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. So, the answer is 10x. So, like terms can be added. On the other hand, if it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z, then we will not be able to solve this because all of them are unlike terms and they cannot be added nor can they be subtracted. So, we will have to leave it as it is. Now, if we were to identify whether this expression is a monomial, binomial or trinomial, most of us get confused because the logic that will be applied is there are three terms here. So, it is a trinomial, but that will be wrong because these are all like terms and like terms means you will have to add this. So, 2x and 3x we will get 5x, 5x and 5x we will get 10x. So, actually this is a monomial. So, please do not write it as a trinomial because you will find that there are three terms of trinomial. We will not make any conclusion before solving this. So, if there are like terms we are going to solve it and then make the conclusion. So, we can find out expressions as monomial, binomial and trinomial and all these come under polynomials. So, polynomials can be monomial, can be binomial or trinomial.